Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to publish Microsoft Planner in SharePoint Online. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to your SharePoint link. Once you're on your SharePoint site, you'll want to locate and click on the option that says Go to Pages. This will take you to the Pages section where you can manage and edit all your SharePoint pages. It's essentially your workspace for organizing content and adding interactive elements to your site. From the list of available pages, click on the specific page where you want to publish your Microsoft Planner. This could be your team's main page, a project overview page, or any other location where you want your team to access the planner directly. After selecting the page, you'll need to wait until it fully loads. Give it a moment to ensure all elements are properly displayed before you start making any changes. Once the page is loaded completely, look at the top of the screen and click on the Edit button. This will enable editing mode and allow you to modify the page layout and add new elements. You'll notice the interface changes slightly to give you more options for customization. Now you'll see a plus icon appear on your page. This is the Add Element button that lets you insert various components into your SharePoint page. Go ahead and click on this plus icon to bring up the list of available elements you can add. In the search field that appears, type Planner and then click on it when it shows up in the results. This will insert the Microsoft Planner web part directly into your SharePoint page, allowing your team to view and interact with tasks without leaving SharePoint. At this point, you'll notice a panel appear on the right side of your screen. This is where you can customize how your planner appears on the page. If you have multiple planners associated with your team, you can use this panel to change which planner is displayed. Simply click on the drop-down menu and select the planner you want to showcase on this particular page. Additionally, you can adjust the display settings to control how the planner appears to your team members. You might choose to show specific views like board view, chart view, or schedule view depending on what makes the most sense for your team's workflow and how they prefer to track their tasks. And that's it. You've successfully published Microsoft Planner in SharePoint Online, making it easy for your team to access their tasks and collaborate more efficiently all in one place. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.